Welcome back to another chatfunnels instructional video, and today I'll be showing you how to manually install our script to your website. From your dashboard, navigate to the Settings cog, Org Settings, and Installation, and then click on your Manual Installation tab. The first thing I'm going to have you check is the Visitor Chat On switch. If this switch is turned off, whether or not our script has been installed to your website, no bots will launch on any page. After you've made sure that's on, there's two ways to manually install our script to your website. You can either individually install it to a web page, or you can install our script to your global header, and our bot will fire on every page for your website. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install it to your global header. After you've checked that visitor chat option, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Come down to the bottom of the page, click the Copy to Clipboard option, then navigate to your website editor, and go to your website code, and specifically your header code. You can put it in your footer code, though it will render last if you put it in your footer, and so it's better to have it in your header so it's the first thing that renders when your page loads. Once you're there, you'll see your script, and just as before your body tag, you'll want to paste that script in there, and it's easy as that. Once again, as you can see the start of the script function here, and the end right here. It's as simple as that. Our bot will now fire on every single page for your website.